Welcome to week 3 of e-learning chemistry students. And this week should prove to be an outstanding week as we finally get to our 7th and final reaction type, oxidation reduction reactions, also called redox. So we are on redox week. You've waited a long time for this week. You deserve this week. This week should be a good week. But before we get into our redox or oxidation reduction reactions, we have our final assessment over single displacement reactions today, 8-15. This is an assessment over what you learned last week. Please be honest as you take this. Do your best as you take this. Do not use your notes. Do not use the internet. Do not use each other on this quiz. Do your best. And then when you're finished, use the answer key to grade it. Please be sure to record your score so that I can see it out of 15 in the upper right-hand corner of the quiz when you share it with me. Hey, sounds like the coffee's done. We're going to pause the video here. Yep, coffee was done. Perfect. Hot too. Hot too. So today on this assessment, what we'd like you to do is actually take it like it was a quiz. You're still going to get full points for this, but I want you to write how many you got out of 14 right here, or how many you got out of 15 right here on 8-15 next to your name so that I can see, just so I can get an idea of how we're doing with the e-learning. Is everything working the way it needs to be? Then if you need any help on this, there are several help videos, or there's a help video that will go over this. The help videos are number 39 and number 40. 39 goes over the first page of the quiz. Number 40 goes over the second page. And if you have any other questions, just email me the questions. We can set up a meet as we need to. We can make additional help videos, whatever it takes for you to understand. But please understand that you will automatically get a 15 out of 15. Regardless of what score you report, you'll get full points for this. Good luck on this today, and then I look with great anticipation on oxidation reduction reaction week, and I look forward to getting into that tomorrow. Have a great day.